Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete a contact or an address into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application, and after doing that, just simply unlock it by putting your biometrics or passcode. And now, after unlocking the application, you will get to see this gear option into the top left corner. Tap into there, and after that, you will get to see this option of address book. Tap to address book and you will get to see all of the address and contact that you have. Now, in order to remove or delete it, you just simply have to scroll this address into left side from right side like this. And after that, this delete button will appear. Tap to delete and then it will successfully be removed from your contacts. This way you can easily remove anyone from your address book. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.